The National Interfaith and Religious Organization for Peace has indeed amplified these in our composition and during our various programs, where our Christian and Muslim brothers and sisters have come under one roof and one voice to pray for God's intervention in the affair of this great nation. My beloved brothers and sisters, God has indeed proven himself faithful to us, and we are internally grateful. For Allah says in Surah Al-Hajarat, verse 10, the believers are nothing but brothers. So make settlement between your brother and fear Allah, that he may receive mercy. Unity gives power, unity gives strength, and unity gives courage in any particular community or group, and it has become so much difficult for the external force to crush and break their bond. Any individual from the united community, unity is the greatest blessing of the Almighty Allah and the major element of success in every aspect of life. Allah says in Surah Al-Imran, verse 103, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together, and do not become divided, and remember the favor of Allah upon you when you were enemies, and he brought your hearts together, and you become by his favor brothers, and you were on the edge of a path of fire, and he saved you from it. Thus Allah does make clear to you in this verse that you must be guided. My beloved brothers and sisters, even as we celebrate, we have a duty bound to continue to preach the message of peace across the nook and cranny of Nigeria. We must see ourselves in our similarity rather than the things that divide us. This is the only way that we can go forward as a people of this great nation. On this occasion of our 60th anniversary, I am calling on all Nigerians to give away their old ways and give our dear president the needed support as he pilot the affairs of our great country. We all know that God has indeed blessed us with a president that is leading the nation with sincerity of heart and purpose. It is special, behold, on all to continue to render that invaluable support to him as we march towards a greater nation. The commitment of our President Muhammadu Buhari towards Nigeria is unprecedented, and this much we must never take for granted. My dear brothers and sisters, I say therefore that if God be for us, who can be against us? No one. I thank you all for your perseverance throughout the period of this